not MACG trying to make Casper feel totally out of place by stating that his songs are just not making it anymore. Like, for instance, the song that he just released right now, apparently, according to MACG, that is not a good song, except for the fact that it's only making it on TikTok as a trend. Okay. And then they go ahead and laugh over there. We all know that MACG has a big platform where he can say whatever he wants to say, and then it will go all viral. So now Casper comes out and he defends himself. He's like, no, honey, not with me. So I'm gonna read out the tweets that Casper tweeted over there because he had to defend himself. I mean, my guy, I'm thinking that my song is doing the most, and you come and tell people that actually Casper has lost his mojo. What are you talking about? And I'm just gonna fill up another stadium just to prove to you that I'm still the man. Let me read this out for you, and then I'll come back with my commentary. And by the way, hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and like my videos, and of course tell everybody who's willing to listen. There's a new kid on the block. Let's do this. They are right. I am washed by the blood of the Holy Lamb, and I am now a new creature. All the glory goes to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. That's why I'm so blessed. I deserve no credit at all. I am blessed beyond my imagination, and I'm truly grateful to be washed. A certain queen once said they have to talk about you because when they talk about themselves, nobody listens. You know what? Let me just go book a stadium and do fill up one more time so we can restore order. Cause which stadium y'all want? Let's rock. Me, y'all could never do me nothing, he says. I'm protected by the Most High God. His name is Jesus. Y'all can't try all you want, Baloi included. You won't succeed. I do encourage you to try though. Lol. Good luck. According to me, this is just my opinion. You can go ahead to my comment section and tell me what you think. But me, I say, he really didn't have to go all the way to replying and explaining and trolling, and not trolling and, just replying generally. He didn't have to, because MACG felt like his opinion on the song was that it's just not a good song, according to him. I feel like he was wrong to actually say Casper is washed, like he's no more the Casper that we want. I mean, the talent is still in Casper, meaning anytime that he decides he wants to make a hit like Dog Shebeleza, he can, Don't write him off. Do not write the man off. He may have made a song that doesn't appeal to you, to your ear, but that doesn't mean he is out as you say, MACG. No, my guy, that's not how it works. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments section. Do you like the song? Do you just love it a little bit? Like it a little bit? Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on another video.